everyone, Emma here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your stinky helmet. First, we are going to clean the inside, then we will clean the outside. But before we get started, click subscribe, like, and activated the notification bell if you will like to see me do more videos. Okay, let's get started. First, put your helmet on the soft table surface to not damage it. Next, remove the chain curtains. Then remove the side cheek pads on each side. After that, remove the headliner. Now here comes the fun part. Cleaning! If you have a sensitive skin or are allergic to mattresses, then you will need to buy a special soap. But if you don't have any of that, pick out however you like your helmet to smell. I know my dad likes the cleaning smell, but I'm going to make it smell like Japanese cherry blossoms. He's gonna be so surprised next time he wears his helmet. We are going to wash the one part at a time. Let's get started with the easiest part, the chain curtains. First thing, rinse it with the warm water, then put soap and wash it. We will use the soap first to remove all of the bacteria. Then I will use the cherry blossom soap to give it a nice smell. Then next, rinse, then use the soap to clean it. To do this for all parts. After, if we cleaning, use a fragrance soap if you want to it smell nice inside. If you don't want to smell like nothing, then don't use anything. Now let's leave to dry it. If you want to dry it faster, then use a fan or put it by your floor fence. All the pads are dry now, and they smell like cherry blossom now. Now, let's put it back into the helmet. I'm sorry I forgot to mention before in the video that these chin strap can be removed as well to be clean. First, we will install the headliner back inside. Then we will install the cheek pads for both sides. And lastly, install the chin curtains. Make sure this part goes middle of the helmet. And that's it. The inside of the helmet is clean and smells fresh. Now let's move on and clean the outside of the helmet. First, get a micro towel. Next, you are going to use this spray. Next, spray the towel. Then use the towel to clean outside of the helmet. If you really want to get the helmet super clean, then use some cotton swabs to get into the hard reach areas. Also make sure you spray the cotton swabs. Make sure that you are careful cleaning around any electronics on your helmet, if you have any. Now take a clean, dry microfiber towel and dry the whole helmet. To dry the hard to reach areas, use an air can like this one. Or if you have access to an air compressor, need that. Now you are all finished. Like that's how it looks and smells better. Links for all the products I used for this video are listed below in this description box. And in case you missed it earlier, don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification for my next video. Bye!